Hi guys, welcome to day one of moving. This is day one of like a million days because I talked about this a little bit in my last video, but we can't get into the house like officially to move in until the end of next week because the floors that I talked about are being switched out next Thursday and Friday. And then like the touch-ups, I'll show that to you in a little bit in this video. Okay, I'm like all over the place. I don't even know how to start this. Basically, we are moving stuff over to the new house, but we can't like fill the new house because things can't be on certain floors that are being switched out. And then we can put things in like the middle of the room, but they can't be up against the wall because there's some things on the wall that they're fixing. So we're starting the move-in process today, but it's not like 100%. And basically, we are just going to fill up the garage over there and get as much stuff over there as we can. And I will put away like some things like spices and random things like that in cabinets that won't be in the way of work being done. And I want to measure for a bunch of things because this weekend I really want to order a dining table, a few lights, and I want to get like the process started. I want to figure out like what size containers I need for the pantry and order those. So we're going to get a lot of stuff done, but it's like random all over the place house stuff. But I know you guys like that. I love sharing it with you. I love doing this, and I'm just so excited to film this video and get things going. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. And this is not a cleaning video, but I'm going to clean up the kitchen right now. So I guess I'll just do a really fast clip of speed cleaning because you guys love those cleaning videos. Literally one of the first things that Chad packed are all of our cups. And we're here for like at least another week, I said. And then all of our plates. So I don't even know what he expects us to eat on for the next several days.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes.
So I had to record this cleaning because I didn't know if it would be the last cleaning in this house, and I think it's going to be, which is so weird and strange. I'm going to miss this house so much, you guys. I love this house. If you are listening and not watching, I'm picking up the kitchen, washing dishes, and getting a few things off the counter. And with moving, it's like I don't even know what to do next because I don't know what to put away and what to leave out to put into a box.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you.
And now I'm packing a few things, so I'm taking a bunch of pictures off the wall that were in the dining area. All of these frames are from IKEA. I get that question a lot, and whenever I need frames, that's the first place I look because they are always like the most affordable compared to almost anywhere else.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna love.
Remember when I said I didn't want to move in the winter because of snow? The moving truck is stuck in the driveway. It's like the first load. And so they're getting a shovel and trying to get it out. And I'm going to measure a few things and order a few things.
Then you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Right now, there is so much silver in this house, and I'm a gold person, as many of you know. So there are several areas I want to switch out for gold or a brass color. I am going to leave some silver, I think in the bar area, the half bathroom and forest bathroom. But there is a ton of stuff I want to switch out for gold. So all of the hardware in the kitchen and the lights right here too.
Talk a little deep.
It's Thursday. I started this video a few days ago, haven't filmed anything. It's been complete chaos. This is the first day we are bringing stuff like inside of the house. Forrest is over there in his little swing. I'm going to clean, I'm going to wipe off some counters, and I'm gonna like show you what's been going on. It's a mess, it's chaos, get ready. Here is what the garage is looking like. So this is a lot of stuff from upstairs, a lot of stuff from the basement. The basement at the old house is completely empty right now, so like tons of storage stuff is out here. But our bed's still at the old house, Forrest's bed, the living room is still set up there, the dining stuff is still there. So we have a lot of stuff still to move, but I mean, a really good portion of it is done. And the floors, I keep telling you guys about these floors. They should have started switching them out today. We were hoping when we showed up someone would be here working on them because they told us Thursday and Friday that they would be working on it. And obviously nobody's here, so hopefully somebody shows up soon. Oh, and then the pantry, I went to Costco last night and picked up a bunch of random things. So this is everything from Costco. We got paper towel, toilet paper, trash bags, a few frozen things in there, but all of the food is still at the old house. Actually, some of it's in boxes. I wanted to be really organized with this move, and it is so not happening.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder.
We have to do everything in like very random stages right now. So I basically do whatever I can when I can. I'm wiping off the counters and the faucet, and then I'm going to Swiffer the floors. We cannot find our vacuum power cord anywhere. So I basically have a Swiffer right now and a mop, but I do not have a vacuum until I find that cord.
Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
And after this, I'm going to start bringing in a ton of Amazon boxes. They found me already, and this is all a ton of organization stuff for the pantry. That video is coming up very soon. It will be up in the next week, so definitely keep an eye out for that. I've talked about that so much, I know, but I've always wanted a pantry, and I'm really looking forward to having it like super organized. I have labels, I have tons of different size containers, so it's going to be a really good video. Some of these are a drawer style organizer, so I'm going to use those in my bathroom upstairs. I have a closet in there, and I'm going to keep skincare in that area instead of under the sink, so I can actually see everything. It's going to be at eye level and so much easier to find what I'm looking for compared to the last house.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down. I don't know.
And now we're on to our first full day in the house, so I'm trying to get organized a little bit everywhere so everything is like somewhat done instead of being fully done in one space and haven't even started in the other spaces, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to put a few pieces of the liner down on the drawers, and I'm unboxing a very random box that Chad packed. It is a bunch of pods for the Nespresso, his belt, and light bulbs. It does not get any more random than that.
I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I'm so high. We don't need to go on a
We're switching up the drawer and cabinet liners that we used compared to the last house. I used to use the foam one with a bunch of holes in it, and I wanted to switch to plastic this time because it's going to completely protect the surface. So if anything spills in there, I can take the liner out and wash it and put it back in. And with the foam ones, if you spill something, then it is a huge mess. The foam ones also stick on the cabinet and they leave a residue when you pull them off. They're just a lot more messy. So I will link these ones. I bought them. Actually, I'm going to save them to the Amazon highlight on my Instagram. I share so many finds from Amazon on there, so it will be there if you are interested in them too and you want to get organized with me. So I'm going to put away just a few liners in random spaces right now, again, to get started. I'm making one for the water glasses, I do one for silverware, and I did one for the coffee pods, as you saw. That was like first and foremost because we need our caffeine around here.
slow it down, slow it down, slow it down.
There is also a drying rack I show in just a few seconds right here on the sink. That's the one I'm going to be using up here. So the marble tray is no longer. I need to move on to something different and switch it up. I think I'm still going to put that one downstairs by the bar area because it won't be used that often. But the black one is really, really cool. That also is on the Amazon highlight tab on my Instagram, and it rolls up, so if it's not being used, then you can put it away. It's really strong too. I just think it's like the coolest thing ever because it does not take up a lot of space, and it is super, super useful.
We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, why so hasty?
The last thing I'm organizing real quick are frying pans. So I also bought this on Amazon. I find so many organization items there, and I'm really trying to make an effort to organize things while I put them away instead of just trying to get it done and putting everything away and then going back and organizing. I'm trying to do it right the first time, so that riser thing is going to be really useful. Instead of stacking pans inside of each other, I can stack them in like a level way, so that will be really nice. And now I'm going through all of these boxes. There is so much stuff, and the garage is like still full, you guys, so I know moving is a process, and I am so looking forward to having everything put away. I know it's going to be a long time, but I'm really looking forward to it. Now Chad is home. He brought iced coffees and some sushi so we can have a little energy to keep going and get things done.
Nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Okay, it's the next morning after the last clip. It is 6:54. There's Chad over there. I've been editing this video and I'm gonna show you guys the lights that I ordered. Oh, okay, so here's an update. Here's what everything is looking like. I did get a lot of stuff done, but again, I'm taking care of a baby all day, so that definitely slows me down. We have two of these basket lights, so this is going to go up here, and then I'm going to get these chairs that have a similar shade of wood on them, so it's going to match the chairs really well, that go over here where the dining table is going to be. So I will insert a picture of the dining table that we ordered, and I also will insert a picture of the light that's going to go up here. And it's actually sitting in that hall closet. It's a huge, huge box. So hopefully in the next few weeks we can have these lights installed. I'm really excited about it because I think it's going to make this space look so different.